What's up, y'all? It's your girl Sasha P back at it again, bringing you real gardening, good food, and entertainment. Today I'm going to show y'all how to make a quick dinner for one using one of these chicken breast fillets, a red potato, and an onion. This is the last potato that I have left, like one potato. So I'm going to make it do what it do. I love onion, so hey, let's go. Okay, so put some oil in the bottom of your little sheet tray. Wash your potato off, cut it up, cut your onion up. You want to season your potatoes and onions with these three: adobo, smoked paprika, and herb de Provence. When you season it up, it should look like this. Just toss it together a little bit. Add it to your tray and toss it in the oil. Now you want to get your chicken breast and put it on there as well. Toss that in the oil. I will not be putting any seasoning on this chicken because it's already seasoned. I got these chicken fillets from Aldi. Now this is ready to go into a 425-degree preheated oven. It's been about 15 minutes. Now I'm going to flip everything over. Alright, this is what we looking like so far. Back into the oven. Okay, it's been about 30 minutes. Everything is ready. Let's plate it up. Alright, let's grab a couple of cherry tomatoes out the garden. Wash them off and cut them up. Gonna put a little bit of this on here, my favorite. I didn't need to put any seasoning on the tomatoes. I just put the giardiniera on top and put a couple of banana peppers on the plate. And just like that, you have a delicious, colorful dinner for one. Thank you so much for watching this video, and I'll see y'all on the next one. Mmm. Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm.